How can stroke survivors quickly regain strength in their arms and hands this year? Rebuilding weak arm and hand muscles is a crucial aspect of stroke recovery. In fact, it's often the key to regaining independence and confidence. But, why is it so important to focus on arm and hand rehabilitation? Well, think about it. Our hands are essential for performing everyday tasks, from brushing our teeth to cooking meals. Without functional hands, simple activities can become daunting challenges. When it comes to stroke recovery, arm and hand muscles are often the most affected. This can lead to significant difficulties with grasping, holding, and manipulating objects. And, let's not forget the emotional toll. Feeling helpless and dependent on others can be incredibly frustrating. That's why, in this video, we're going to explore the best techniques for rebuilding strength in your arms and hands, so you can regain control over your life. So, what exactly do we hope to achieve with this video? Our goal is to provide you with a comprehensive guide to accelerating arm and hand muscle recovery, so you can start living the life you deserve. From understanding the common challenges of stroke survivors to exploring effective rehabilitation techniques, we'll cover it all. As we dive deeper into this topic, I want you to keep in mind that every stroke survivor's journey is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. But, with the right approach and dedication, it's possible to make significant progress and achieve remarkable results. So, let's get started on this journey to rebuilding strong, functional arms and hands. You won't want to miss the valuable insights and practical tips we'll be sharing in the coming minutes. Many stroke survivors face an uphill battle when it comes to regaining strength in their arms and hands. Weakness, numbness, and spasticity can make everyday activities a struggle. But, it's not just the physical challenges that matter. The emotional impact of muscle weakness can be just as devastating. Feeling frustrated, angry, and disappointed is normal, especially when you're unable to perform tasks that were once second nature. Simple activities like buttoning a shirt, tying shoelaces, or even holding a fork can become daunting tasks. Muscle weakness can also affect your self-esteem and confidence. You might feel like you're losing your independence, and that's a tough pill to swallow. It's essential to remember that you're not alone in this struggle. Many stroke survivors have been in your shoes and have come out the other side, stronger and more resilient. The road to recovery is often long and arduous, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome these challenges. It's crucial to understand that regaining arm and hand function takes time, patience, and perseverance. One of the most significant hurdles stroke survivors face is adapting to their new reality. It can be tough to come to terms with the fact that your body is no longer working the way it used to. But, acceptance is the first step towards healing and moving forward. Another common challenge is dealing with the emotional toll of muscle weakness. Feeling helpless and dependent on others can be incredibly frustrating. It's essential to find ways to manage your emotions and stay motivated throughout the recovery process. Fear of falling or injuring yourself can also hold you back from fully participating in rehab. But, with the right support system and guidance, you can overcome these fears and push through the challenges. Lack of motivation can be a significant obstacle, especially when progress seems slow. It's essential to set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way. Denial can also be a significant stumbling block. Some stroke survivors might downplay their weaknesses or avoid confronting the reality of their situation. But, acknowledging your challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. Sometimes, stroke survivors might experience plateaus in their recovery, where progress seems to stagnate. It's crucial to stay positive and focused, even when faced with setbacks. The importance of finding the right rehabilitation program cannot be overstated. A well-structured program can make all the difference in your recovery journey. Support from family and friends is also vital. Having a strong support system can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Another crucial factor is patience. Regaining arm and hand function takes time, and it's essential to be patient with yourself and your progress. Now, let's explore some of the most effective rehabilitation techniques and exercises that can help you rebuild strength in your arms and hands. One of the most effective ways to rebuild strength is through physical therapy. A trained therapist can create a customized program tailored to your specific needs and goals. At-home exercises can also be incredibly beneficial. Simple exercises like finger bends, wrist extensions, and arm raises can help improve range of motion and strength. Mirror therapy is another valuable technique. This involves performing exercises in front of a mirror to improve cognitive function and motor control. Electrical stimulation is also a promising approach. This involves using small electrical currents to stimulate muscle contractions, helping to rebuild strength and function. Another effective approach is constraint-induced movement therapy. This involves constraining the unaffected arm to force the affected arm to work harder, promoting brain plasticity and recovery. Hybrid approaches that combine physical therapy with occupational therapy can also be highly effective. This holistic approach focuses on improving functional abilities and daily living skills. Success stories of stroke survivors who have made remarkable progress in rebuilding strength in their arms and hands are truly inspiring. Let me share with you the story of John, a stroke survivor who was determined to regain function in his affected arm. Through a combination of physical therapy, at-home exercises, and dedication, John was able to make significant progress and eventually regain independence. John's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and hard work. It shows that with the right approach and mindset, it's possible to overcome even the most significant challenges. In conclusion, rebuilding weak arm and hand muscles is a crucial aspect of stroke recovery. It requires patience, dedication, and the right strategies. By understanding the common challenges of stroke survivors and exploring effective rehabilitation techniques, you can regain control over your life and achieve remarkable results. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. Stay committed to your recovery journey, and you'll be on your way to rebuilding strong, functional arms and hands. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear about your own recovery journey in the comments below. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know. Don't forget to check out our other videos on stroke rehabilitation and wellness for more valuable insights and practical tips.